plumbing, you want to go ahead and secure, make sure everything is turned off completely. What we'll do here is turn the water off, like so. Do the same thing here on the cold water side. And now we're ready to go. Now what I've done is I've gone to the local hardware store and found a repair kit for a peerless faucet. It's important to find the make and model, if you can, of the particular faucet that you're going to be working on. And so we're going to go work with the parts in this particular kit. The tools that you're going to need when you do a faucet repair is a Allen key wrench, now right here is the Allen key that we're going to use. We're going to disconnect this. Alright. Okay, now that we've got the screw out, you want to take the screw now and lay it aside where it won't get lost. And by the way, you want to go ahead, if you're working in a sink, go ahead and put the stoppers in. That way, in case any little parts like this right here was to fall down, then you're in trouble. So we're going to go ahead and pull the handle off, lay it off to the side, and this has been leaking around, so we're going to now take a wrench, open it up to the right size, and remove this outer band. Okay, and what we'll do is pull the ring off right here. Now, because this has been leaking, we're going to replace this particular part right here. Now what I do here is just replace the ring on top of the ball, and if you see here, there's a little groove, and that will fit on the inside. There's a little tongue on the inside that this groove fits in. Okay, that's it right there. Now there's a little groove right here, and there's a groove right there, so I'm going to take this and put this to match it. Push down significantly to make sure that it fits properly and it's seated. So now that's done there. Okay. Everything else looks pretty good on the inside. Okay, now that that's all done, we'll take this, make sure that that is secure inside. I'm going to keep my finger on it a little bit, just to make sure it's seated properly. Take this and go completely around until it's all the way down and tight, secure. Okay, now once this is already secured and you've turned the water back on, tested it, then of course you want to put the secure, then you want to secure the nut back into the handle, get it pretty snug, that way it doesn't slip or anything. So here we're ready to go.